Hey everyone, this is how our products look like. In our dashboard, you can see some of your important events like add to cart lead value and product detail page lead value. You can see also average response time. In this table, you'll see your response count and how many conversations started here. In that table, if you click one of the leads table, you'll be navigated to the related add to cart leads table. And in that page, if you click one of the chat session, you will be directed to the related chat session, and there you can see your customers events like this, or how your customers are interacting with our shopping assistant. You can also filter those messages based on customer events and their leads. So you could also see the unread messages as well. In train page, we are fetching all your Shopify's data. So if some of your Shopify's products are getting out of stock or something like that, we automatically reflect the change into our table. You can also visibility turn on and off depending on the situation as well. In FAQs, you can add product related FAQs if you want to improve the quality of your shopping assistant's response. You can also navigate to the product detail page like this, and you can enhance description and generate a description from image as well. In character page, there's a passport container where you can change your character name, introduction messages. You could also set the different types of avatars depending on your needs. And in personalities, we have developed different types of personalities for different types of e-commerce store. The reason we do this is because every e-commerce store needs to have different types of personalities, and each personality has a unique DNA and attribution characteristics. And their sales type is different depending on the industry as well. In AI Center, you could easily create quizzes for specific collections. Once you sync your collections and click the Add to Quiz section, you will see your listed collection here. If you choose one of your collection and click next, our AI will generate a question for your specific collections. You could also edit them manually if you want to. In Magic Center, there's a collection page magic where you can change the your quiz customization. In product detail page, you can set your set and create a contextual conversation starter for each product. Each starter is a question about the product that your users may ask about it. Once you click sync PDP magics and click say, your magics is ready. And if you navigate to the train page and click one of your products list, you will see your magics like this. You can also edit them manually if you want to. So let us activate your product for your store. If you click activate chatbots in your store, you'll be directed to the Shopify Teams config, and you can easily set your shopping assistant live like this. So it's going to work like this. So yeah, this is how our product works. I hope you love it. Bye.